Hello, today we will guide you through how to auto-invest dividends on Trading 212. In a few minutes, you'll learn how to turn on dividend auto-reinvestment inside a pie so your payouts are put back to work automatically following your target allocation. Start by opening your browser and going to the Trading 212 app, then sign in. At the top left of the screen, open the Large Account selector and choose the Invest account. This is the standard share dealing area where pies live and where dividend auto-invest is controlled. If you want to practice safely first, select Practice with Virtual Money. This mirrors the real platform but uses a demo balance, so you can try the workflow without affecting your live portfolio or placing real orders. Once you're in the Invest area, look at the top of the screen for the pie icon and select it. Pies are collections of stocks or ETFs with target percentages, and the platform uses those targets to decide how to distribute deposits and any dividends you choose to reinvest. From the list, pick a sample pie. In practice mode, a sample is perfect for demonstration, and you can apply the same setting later to any pie you actually use. Inside the pie, locate the setting for Dividend Auto-Invest and toggle it on. When enabled, cash dividends paid by the holdings inside this pie will be automatically used to buy more of the same investments, aiming to move the pie closer to its target weights. If one slice is underweight, more of the dividend will flow there. If a slice is overweight, less will go to it. This keeps your strategy balanced without placing manual orders each time a payout arrives. Review the on-screen summary, then confirm to save the change. The platform may show a short note about how reinvestment batches are created, for example, when a minimum order size is reached or at a scheduled time, so take a moment to read it before you accept. After confirmation, select Done. Your setting is now active for this specific pie, and you can repeat the same process for any other pie you manage. Before you finish, a few practical tips. Make sure your pie targets reflect your plan, because auto-invest follows those percentages. Not all instruments distribute dividends, and payout dates vary. If a dividend is paid in a currency different from your base, conversion may apply. Taxes and withholding can affect the amount reinvested, so review your statements. Finally, check in on your pie periodically to ensure the results match your expectations. That's it. You've successfully turned on automatic dividend reinvestment in Trading 212.